Hi, Giovanna. Thanks for emailing me. Let's see if we can work through editing this macro from page 455 in the textbook. So I have a copy of the worksheet open. I'm going to go to the macros list, and we are going to edit which one? So we are going to edit the clear cells macro. So I'm active on that one. I'm going to click the edit button. I'm going to pull up the VBA window on the screen, and let's see, you're saying, I'm not finding the information it's asking for. So the window is a little tricky. You got to kind of get used to it. So here I can see that the first thing I see is the clear cells macro. But as I scroll down, then let's see. As I scroll down, here it is, I can see the text or the script for the next macro, clear formatting. So you have to make sure that you're staying within the context of the macro that you're going to edit. And so we are looking for, we are going to scroll down to clear formatting. So mine is all the way at the bottom. I've scrolled all the way to the bottom to see the clear formatting macro. If you're not seeing it, what I want you to do is back up into your worksheet. So I'm going to open up my worksheet again. Click the macro under the developer tab, click the macros button. Make sure you have a macro called clear formatting. If you don't, or if it has some other name, then that's what you want to be looking for. If it doesn't exist, you need to create it first. It has to be sitting there in existence. Okay, and then basically what we're going to do is from this clear formatting macro, oops, don't type anything extra. In this we're going to just copy on page 455. So we're going to copy the text that starts with range B15, and that's here. So we're going to select this whole line for us. I don't think we take anything else. Yep, we just take this line. We copy it. So I'm going to do Control Copy on my keyboard. And then I'm going to scroll all the way up to the clear macro. So all the way back up, or sorry, clear cells. Now I'm at the clear cells macro, and I'm going to paste this. Place your insertion point at the line where it says range E6. So right there where that line begins, and then press paste. So I'm going to do Control V on the keyboard to paste that down. So that's what we're going to do with that. Then proceed from there. If you still can't find that text, maybe we could meet in the business lab to open up your worksheet and take a look and see what we could do together. Or today's Friday, I'm in a meeting all morning. If you have time to go to the business lab, Kathy should be also able to help you with this. Otherwise, feel free to email me and we can continue to work.